everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Entertainment Chic. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we achieved this homemade liquid soap. I will put in the ingredients or the chemicals the chemicals in the description box below. Just follow the video and enjoy. We all know that Nigeria is so bearable, let me not say the worst, for anybody not to be able to be economical at this period. So please sit back and watch how we're able to achieve this homemade liquid soap. This is a multi-purpose soap. You can use it to wash anything. It can serve as your liquid soap for washing your clothes, your dishes, and so on and so forth. So please enjoy this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like my videos. Please subscribe and like my videos. Like my videos. Can see you are doing that. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. Can you see the final result? Can you see that? Can you see that? Even the Obonge money fresh will buy from the supermarkets cannot compete with this. If you can perceive the smell of this liquid soap, man, you're gonna love it. Did I just hear you say that your Obonge money fresh is better than this? Did I just hear you say that? Did you see the full me? Oh, good. Because the liquid soap is so thick, you can dilute it with ordinary water just to make it lighter, and it still forms the lot the way it's looking. So with this, we're already having our homemade money fresh. Did you see that? Yes, this is something you can get done at your own comfort, and it will cost you not too much. The diluted and the undiluted. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.